Yo, what's up everyone? It's Chairman. We're living in a world where information is everywhere, but actually absorbing and using it, that's a whole other story. Whether you're hitting the books hard or just trying to level up your skill set, it feels like there's never enough time in the day. But hold up, before you pull an all-nighter fueled by nothing but coffee and stress dreams, let me introduce you to the future of learning. We're talking AI, people. These aren't just fancy algorithms, they're like having a superpowered study buddy available 24/7. In this video, we're diving deep into 8 AI-powered apps that are about to change the way you learn. From mind maps that would make Tony Stark jealous to flashcards that practically write themselves, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started. First up, we're checking out Traverse. Now, if you're anything like me, you've got a million different things going on in your brain at any given time. Traverse helps you wrangle all those thoughts and ideas into one beautifully organized space with their mind map feature. Think of it like this. You start with a central idea and then branch out, connecting related concepts, notes, and even images. It's like building your own knowledge web, and trust me, it's way more satisfying than it sounds, but Traverse doesn't stop there. Remember those late-night cram sessions with stacks of flashcards? Yeah, Traverse makes those a thing of the past. The app seamlessly integrates flashcards into your mind maps, so you can actively test yourself as you go. No more flipping through hundreds of cards. Everything is connected and streamlined. And the best part, Traverse uses spaced repetition, which is a fancy way of saying it learns your strengths and weaknesses, then shows you the information you need when you need it most. It's like having a personal tutor built right into the app, honestly. Traverse is a game changer for anyone who wants to learn more effectively and actually remember what they learn. It's intuitive, powerful, and dare I say, even a little bit fun to use. If you're tired of disorganized notes and inefficient study sessions, you definitely need to check out Traverse. Links in the description. All right, let's talk about Recall, an app that's basically magic for anyone who learns best by reading. We've all been there, right? You find an amazing article online packed with valuable information, but then remembering all those details later on. That's where Recall comes in. This app lets you turn any web article into a set of concise, easy-to-digest flashcards automatically. No more highlighting, manual typing, or tedious note-taking. Just paste the link, hit a button, and boom, instant study material. But it gets even better. Recall doesn't just copy and paste sentences, it uses AI to identify the key concepts and terms within the article. It's like having a super smart study buddy who knows exactly what you need to focus on. And you know how much I love customization. With Recall, you can edit the generated flashcards, add your own notes, and even organize them into different decks for better organization. It's all about making the learning process work for you. Whether you're a student researching a paper, a professional staying updated on industry trends, or just someone who loves to learn new things online, Recall is an absolute game changer. It takes the hassle out of note-taking and lets you focus on what really matters, absorbing that sweet, sweet knowledge. Next up, we're diving into the world of visual learning with Mapify. This app takes mind mapping to a whole new level, letting you create stunning, dynamic visualizations of your thoughts and ideas. Forget those boring, static mind maps. Mapify lets you add images, videos, even GIFs to your maps, making them both engaging and memorable. It's like turning your notes into a work of art. But Mapify is more than just a pretty face. It also packs some serious organizational muscle. You can easily create branches, sub-branches, and connections between different concepts, building out complex knowledge maps that are still easy to navigate. Collaboration is key these days, and Mapify knows it. You can invite friends, classmates, or colleagues to work on maps together in real time, making brainstorming and knowledge sharing a breeze. And for those who like to learn on the go, Mapify has you covered with its mobile app. Access your maps, edit on the fly, and even present directly from your phone or tablet. Whether you're a visual learner, a creative thinker, or just someone who appreciates a well-organized mind map, Mapify is definitely worth checking out. It's powerful, versatile, and might just become your secret weapon for conquering any learning challenge. Chapter 4 Skillshare, Unleash Your Inner Creator and Beyond. Okay, switching gears a bit now, let's talk about Skillshare, a platform that's all about expanding your creative horizons and mastering new skills. Whether you're an aspiring photographer, a coding newbie, or just want to finally learn how to bake the perfect sourdough bread, Skillshare has got a class for you. And when I say they have a lot of classes, I mean it. We're talking thousands of high-quality courses taught by industry professionals and experts in their fields. But here's what sets Skillshare apart. It's not just about passive watching. Skillshare encourages you to get your hands dirty and actually apply what you're learning with hands-on projects and exercises. You can connect with a vibrant community of learners, share your work, get feedback, and even collaborate on projects together. And the best part? Skillshare is incredibly affordable. For the price of a few lattes a month, you get unlimited access to their entire library of courses. No matter what you're passionate about or what skills you want to develop, Skillshare is a fantastic resource for lifelong learning and creative exploration. So, ditch the excuses, unleash your inner maker, and let Skillshare be your guide on your creative journey. Chapter 5, Study, portion where flashcards get smart. Let's talk Study Smarter, an app that combines the power of flashcards with the magic of AI to take your learning to the next level. Now, we all know flashcards are a classic study tool, but Study Smarter takes them to a whole new dimension. First off, creating flashcards is a breeze. You can type them out, scan handwritten notes, or even import existing decks from other platforms. But here's where the AI kicks in. Study Smarter analyzes your flashcards and automatically generates practice questions, quizzes, and even personalized study plans based on your strengths and weaknesses. It's like having a virtual tutor who knows exactly how to challenge you and help you learn more effectively. But wait, there's more. Study Smarter also has a built-in AI chat feature that lets you ask questions about any topic and get instant answers and explanations. It's like having a walking, talking encyclopedia right at your fingertips, whether you're prepping for a big exam, trying to master a new language, or just want to boost your knowledge in any subject. Study Smarter is an incredibly powerful and versatile tool that can help you achieve your learning goals. Attention all UK students, this one's for you. Revisely is a game changer for anyone tackling GCSEs or A-levels. This app is specifically designed to help you ace those exams with features tailored to the UK curriculum and exam boards. We're talking past papers, practice questions, detailed mark schemes. You name it, Revisely has got it. But here's the best part. Revisely uses AI to personalize your revision experience. It tracks your progress, identifies your strengths and weaknesses, and creates a tailored study plan that's designed to help you succeed. No more wasted time on topics you've already mastered. Revisely makes sure you're focusing on the areas where you need the most help. And for those who thrive on competition, Revisely has leaderboards and challenges to keep you motivated and on track. Revisely takes the stress out of exam season and empowers you to approach your GCSEs and A-levels with confidence. So ditch the panic, embrace the power of AI-powered revision, and let Revisely be your secret weapon for exam success. Taking good notes is an art form, and let's be real, not all of us are artists. But what if you had an AI assistant that could take notes for you? Enter Albus, an app that's about to revolutionize the way you capture and learn from information. Imagine this. You're in a lecture, totally absorbed in what the professor's saying, but then, bam, you miss a crucial point because you're busy scribbling away in your notebook. With Albus, those days are over. This app can record audio and even transcribe it in real time, so you can stay focused on the content and let Albus handle the note-taking. But here's where it gets really interesting. Albus doesn't just passively record, it uses AI to identify key concepts, highlight important points, and even generate summaries of the material. It's like having a super-powered study buddy who's always paying attention and knows exactly what you need to remember. But wait, there's more. Albus also lets you create flashcards directly from your notes, making it super easy to review and retain information. And because visuals are key for memory, Albus can even generate mind maps and other visual aids to help you understand and remember complex concepts. Last but not least, let's talk about RemNote, an app that's all about making note-taking and learning more efficient and effective. Think of RemNote as your all-in-one knowledge base, where you can store notes, organize information, and actively learn from what you've captured. One of the things that makes RemNote stand out is its unique approach to note-taking. It encourages you to break down information into small, interconnected chunks called REMs, which makes it easier to digest and recall later on. But here's where the magic happens. RemNote seamlessly integrates flashcards into the note-taking process. As you're creating your notes, you can easily turn any piece of information into a flashcard with a single click. And because RemNote uses spaced repetition, it automatically schedules those flashcards for review at the optimal time to help you commit the information to long-term memory. But RemNote doesn't stop there. It also has built-in mind mapping features, collaboration tools, and even a mobile app, making it a truly comprehensive learning platform. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves to learn and retain information, RemNote is definitely worth checking out. It's powerful, flexible, and might just change the way you think about note-taking and learning altogether.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
So there you have it, 8 incredible AI-powered apps that are changing the way we learn. From mind maps to flashcards to personalized study plans, these tools are here to help you unlock your full learning potential. Tell us which app you're most excited to try, hit that like button, and subscribe to explore more tools to supercharge your learning journey. Ready to elevate your study game? Watch now.